Oh, hello there, and welcome to the Bot Signal this morning. My name is RJ Redden, and if you don't know me, entrepreneurs hire me to skyrocket their marketing message because most feel like they're shouting into a black hole, or they can't get engagement on or offline to save their lives, or they end up being a carbon copy of everybody else. So, I create epic chatbot experiences that motivate people to click that button, connect with you, and convert like crazy. Bottom line, I am on a mission to get 1 million people to change their marketing. Marketing that makes sense. That's what I'm after. That's what I'm about. And chatbot, to me, chatbot marketing makes sense. It's personal, it's friendly. And today, we're going to talk about something that our chatbots can do that is really, really different than what most other chatbots can do. So my chatbots, as you may know, they're powered by TrueChat over here. Whoops, there we go. The TrueChat folks have artificial intelligence in the bots, which means that it means a lot of things. But one of the things that it means is that it can make your chatbot, your digital assistant, your digital VA can make personalized recommendation based on how the questions the person online is asking of your bot, based on paths that the people have been through before, based on background, stuff that they've done in the past. We can choose key indicators that say, you know what, this person would be great with this product right now, or this service, or maybe this person doesn't even know that this other thing exists. Let's make this happen. Bots that make personalized recommendations. I'm not going to show you the 87 things I have for sale right now. That is boring. That is what we get with everybody else. Hi, want to buy something from me? Hey, want to buy something from me? Nice to see you. You want to buy something from me? These are the kinds of bots that I don't like to visit, and I think that most people don't like to visit either. So what I'm talking to you about today is think about this. What if your bot could make those recommendations? Now, Amazon does it all the time, and people seem to be liking that okay. Now, they're a huge, huge company. They can afford developers that work all day, all night, all of the things. Hundreds of people, probably thousands. I don't even know. That's great. But how do we get that technology? I used to look at that and think, yeah, that's a great idea. Too bad it's out of reach for people who are normal. Extraordinary, but not at the Amazon level. Let's say that. So how do we get a hold of that type of technology? How do we get a hold of it? So through artificial intelligence, your chatbot can collect some indicators that somebody might be ready for something. Based on what you bought last time, when I'm out with Steve, who is VP of marketing and sales over there at TrueChat, when I'm tabling with him at events, he always says, if your bot on your site greets people like, hey, Melinda, how you doing? Noticed you bought a vacuum cleaners like 3 months ago. Are you ready to, order some more bags for that? You might need them by now, something like that. Throwing things out there. What if that stuff is in our hands right now? We don't have to what if anymore. We don't have to look at what the big guys are doing and go, I wish I had, 87,000 developers at my beck and call. We don't have to do any of that. We can use that stuff right now. We can use it in our chatbots, And we can, instead of feeling like we're being salesy, because I know a lot of people hate feeling salesy. I just want to do my job. I don't necessarily want to, I want to produce this product, or I want to give this service without all of that messy, so you want to buy from me? I mean, that's how a lot of people feel. Fantastic. Let's hand some of that responsibility over to an automated system that knows what to look for. So that's my thought for you for this day, for this February 26th. We'll be back tomorrow, obviously, but this is something that I want you to think about. This incredibly powerful tool is in your hands right now if you have TrueChat. And it's a great thing if you want to utilize that. It is a very powerful thing. And so yeah, for those of you wondering, yeah, I did. I got the Stream Deck with all of the and it's my favorite right now because it is so cool. You can set up so many beautiful things on here for broadcasts, and I am absolutely doing it. Now, meanwhile, I do want to tell you I have something going on. Client of mine, Gina Gabellini, she is rocking and rolling this week and inviting a lot of people to have some resources. She's amazing. She has been my client for a long time now, and I just want to say I really love her work. And so I'm going to be emailing some of that stuff out today, just because. So watch out for that in your email inboxes if you are a receiver of mine. And if you'd like, always text bot to 555-888 if you want a free bot strategy and if you want to interact a little bit on my calendar, because that's my favorite thing. My favorite thing is to meet you all in person, talk to you about what I know about chatbots, and help you realize what I already know, that putting stuff into these online digital assistants, taking responsibilities that you have right now, giving them over to these digital VAs, these chatbots. This is the future. This is the way. So I have spoken, and thank you for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in a bot.